Okay, once again, some grossly misplaced questions within an exercise, I think, anyway. But who am I? I'm only a teacher. I'm only qualified in this, sometimes unlike people that write textbooks. So let's have a look at this. So let's say we've got this thing here. We've got 3 to the power of 2 raised to the power of a half. And then we've got this business happening here. So we're going to have a look at this rule and this one, as well as the thing we already know about what we do if we've got this case here. So let's go to work. So if we've got a fractional power, that ends up becoming a to the power of m, and it's the nth root. And if we've got a negative power, it becomes 1 over a to that positive power. Okay, how does that all fit in here? Well, let's have a look at this. So here we have 3 to the power of 2 to the power of a half. So now 2 times a half, we know that becomes 3 to the power of 2 times a half, which is 1. So we just end up with 3. Likewise, we can rewrite this here as 3 squared, which we know to be 9 to the power of a half. Now we know that if we've got a power of a half, that ends up being 9, and it is the first power of the second root. And we know the square root of 9 is also 3. Oh, it's almost like magic. Okay, this one here is a little bit more interesting. So this 125, we got to the power of negative 2 over 3. That can be a bit messy. It can be a bit messy, I'll be honest with you, because we could write that as being 1 over 125 to the power of 2 over 3. That doesn't really help much. That's still quite ugly to try and work with. So what we're going to do, I'm not going to put that in. Wouldn't it be cool if I could just do this on a whiteboard? We probably can with those new TVs we have in class. Anyhow, what I'm going to do, now I know this 125, I know that can be written as a power of 5. Well, 5 to the power of what gives 125? Well, it's power of 3. So 5 to the power of 3, I'm going to put some brackets around that, and I'm going to say we're going to raise that to the power of negative 2 over 3. Now, what I can do is I can say if I multiply this 3 by negative 2 over 3, I know that 3 times negative 2 over 3, I know these two 3's will cancel. Although we multiply them out, and we'll just end up with 5 to the power of negative 2. So from there, I can say that is 5, sorry, not 5, because it's a negative power. I find it as being 1 over 5 to the power of 2. And now I know that 1 over 5 to the power of 2 is 25. So that's what we can do there. Rather than trying to do all that other stuff, which gets quite messy, we can, this is really handy to know, if you can recognise this, whatever your base is, if you can write that as another power, that'll really help you game in what we're doing here.